Hey, this is John here from Firecraft Official, and today we're going to have a look at a $550 AMD based system configuration. All parts and prices vary over time, and this is only my opinion. Let's get into it. This PC is built upon browsing the web, word processing, however it also handles very capably mainstream single monitor 1080p gaming. Often, games you play will be able to be turned up to medium or even high settings. The case I've chosen is a Silverstone RL01. It features a windowed case, bottom-mounted power supply, large CPU backplate cutout, removable magnetic dust filters, and includes a 120mm red LED fan. It's approximately $55 AUD. The motherboard I've chosen is the ASRock 970 Pro 3 R2.0. It features two PCI 2.0 16X slots, it has four DDR3 slots, and it has an armada of USB 2.0 and 3.0. The CPU that I'm using is the AMD FX 4300. It's a very capable quad core. It runs on the AMD PowerDriver and has a 3.8 GHz base clock with a 4.8 GHz boost clock. This CPU is valued at $130 AUD. The graphics card that I've chosen for this build is the PowerColor HD 777 GHz edition. It features a 1000 MHz core clock, 1GB of GDDR5, a HDMI port, and it's on the 28nm process. It costs approximately 110 AUD. For this build, the RAM that I've chosen is the G-Skill Ripjaws 2x2GB. This gives you a total of 4GB, which is plenty for gaming. The features are a gamer grade RAM, stylized RAM heatsink, and 1600 MHz DDR3. The hard drive is a WD Caviar Blue 500GB. It has a medium storage capacity. It's not the largest, it's not the smallest. It's got a decent speed of 7,200 RPM, and WD is reliable and reputable. It costs approximately 60 AUD. The power supply is the heart of your system. It supplies power to all of your components. The Cooler Master Extreme 2525W, although not an 80 plus bronze power supply, is decent enough to support all of your components in this build. The optical drive is taken as an optional extra. It costs approximately 20 AUD, and what you're going to aim for is the cheapest on the market. Look for speeds above 24x. The bottom line is this is a solid PC costing a total of $535. It's solidly built with good quality components, and it's not only great for gaming but for nearly everything else as well. Hit the like button if you enjoyed it, thumbs down if you didn't, comment if you have any advice or have your own improvements on this build. Thanks.